Let's see how to download and install LEDedit 2023, which is the version 8.7. First thing you need to do is download the compressed file, which is in the description. Click on the link and scroll down. Right, you will see this download button. Click on it and it will take you to this website. Click on download. In order to extract the files, you need a WinRAR. Download it, then install it. Once installed, you will see your compressed file icon like this. Right click on the downloaded compressed file and you can click here, extract here to extract on the same folder. This is the setup for the LEDedit 2023 version 8.7. Double click on the setup file. It will ask you for the permission. Click on yes. Alright, once in the setup, click on next and you can click on browse and select a location to save where you need to install the software. Alright, click next, click on yes, click on next and click on next, click on install, on finish, and it will start the application. Alright, this is it. This pop-up window will ask you, do you want to update? You can click here, update. You can decline here. Alright, this is LEDedit version 8.7. Let's see how we can program our LED controller using this software. Now I'm going to select my controller. I'm going to select T-1000 as an example. Alright, here's the project save path. You can change it. And alright, I'm going to leave the settings as it is and click OK. So I'm going to create a layout. So I'm going to click on edit layout. This is the layout creator. I'm going to create a quick automatic layout. I'm going to create a square layout. Let's say 32 by 32 display. Alright, now you have to place it. I'm going to place it here. Alright, that's it. I'm going to click on save and close this layout creator window. Alright, this is it. This is your layout. You can see it here. Alright, now it's time to program this layout. Click on program. You can create new programs here. I'm going to select the default one and I can click on effect. Now I can select a video from my computer, or you can select the sample from here. Double click on these files. You will see that effect on this panel. Okay, let's say this one. I'm going to record it. In order to record, you have all these different options for their effect. You can change the speed and you can do many things. You can check these out on my website. We have every one of these features described in our tutorials. For now, I'm going to use a simple recording feature option. So I'm going to click on recording. Okay, right here, and you will see that how many frames that I'm recording right here. I'm going to stop recording by clicking on stop recording button here. I'm going to stop this playback of this animation by clicking on the close video capture. Okay, now in order to see what's been recorded, click on play button right here. This is what has been recorded. You can edit this animation as well. Now we are done recording. I'm going to export this effect. In order to export, click on generate and export LED/bin files, and you have these options. And once you change your settings as your preference, right, click on OK. So it will ask for the location. I'm going to select the desktop and click OK. Now you will see a folder in your desktop. This one LED, alright, controller 1. This is your LED file. You can send it to the SD card. Alright, that's it. That's how you install and program LEDedit 2023 version 8.7. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in another tutorial. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you like my channel, subscribe.